Good morning, dear students. So, welcome back to the fifth chapter of history subject, that is mass media and history. See, already we had covered till magazine, page number till page number 34 we had completed. So, today we will start with electronic or digital journalism. Now, see a short description about this one, that is electronic or digital journalism. So now look here. So now what happens, see, if we talk about newspaper or if we talk about magazine, all these are printed source of information we get in a printed form. But so now we will proceed with electronic. We will learn about electronic. Example, we can talk about television. All these are electronic. We can see also, we can observe also, we can just see the picture also, we can listen the voice. So all these are electronic device. Television, radio, internet, you can say, so, or video call, all these are electronic devices. So these are, we can say, all these medias are ultra modern periodical, okay, that is of electronic digital journalism. So see, we can study history also with the help of this modern source of digitalization. Okay, now we are learning history that is in the form of PDF, isn't? So there are many periodicals that are published electronic. There are so many periodical or so many news articles or news are printed with the help of electronic. Electronically, it is published. Okay, earlier newspaper was there. We are getting in a printed form. Now we are not getting in a printed form. Directly audio visual we are getting. So there are many journals that are writing about history, that are publishing about history. So many web channel is there, YouTube channel is there, social media channel is there. Okay, with the help of YouTube now we can take advantage, we can learn, we can study any subject. So all these are electronic source of information. We get various information about various issues. So you must have checked, you have must have observed various YouTube channel that are giving information about history, or there are many videos on YouTube that are showing yes, documentary movies and all, historical information, anything we can see, that is with the help of YouTube, any informative. While seeing the document or video, we can study about what was the history of 50 years back. If you open the YouTube, and if you want to see what was happened 50 years back, 50 years पहले क्या हुआ था, इंडिपेंडेंस कैसे मिला, सो कौन सी लीडर ने कितना कंट्रीब्यूट किया, सो ऑल दिस थिंग वी कैन गेट. So okay, on what was the history of India 100 years back, 100 साल पहले क्या हुआ था, all these are also a good source of information. Okay, which take less time. So it take historical content available to the audience. Audience means we can read, we can use, take advantage. So if we take example of videos explanation, yes, now also we are doing a video explanation. I am recording my explanation and I am sending you. So all these are electronic way. So these are the video made on historical events. So someone see this video after see, if you take example of videos explanation, so these video explanation means right now we are proceeding with electronic or digital journalism. So this video is also made on historical events. If someone see this video, means whatever we are explaining over any issue, that is after 20 years, he will come to know that how historical how history book was written, what was the content 50 years back, what was the content. So now this is also source of information. Videos on YouTube or web channel and social media platform, all these are website that also acting as a source of information in a very speedy manner. Alright, so now let's see. All these are a short description about this topic, electronic or digital journalism. Now we will proceed with whatever given in textbook. We will get knowledge. Now see, now here these are ultra modern, means we are okay, these are ultra modern periodical apart from electronic digital journalism. History is a prime subject of interest for these periodical as well. Any website, news portal, social media website, all these things. So it is audience, reach to the audience. Now radio, Indian Broadcasting Company, IBC, a private radio company, was the first one to broadcast daily programs. Earlier, no, if we go back to 50 years or 100 year back, there was no television and all. So whatever program or whatever information we get, orally we are getting with the help of radio. And it was the first broadcast daily program. Daily program is broadcast on radio. Later, the same company was taken over by the British government and the name as Indian State Broadcasting Service, ISBS. On 8th June 1936, it was renamed as All India Radio, that is All India Radio Air in short we can tell. After independence, Air became an internal part of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting India. Initially, it broadcast government program. Initially, it broadcast only government information, government program, educational program. It was named as Akashvani on the suggestion of famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. Akashvani. Now see, now do you know? In the British India, the first news bulletin was broadcast. So in the British time, at the time of British, no, when British rule was there, so that time first English news bulletin was broadcast on 23rd July 1927 from the Mumbai radio station of the Indian Broadcasting Company, IBC. Later, the company radio station of IBC started a new bulletin in Bengali. So various languages they had started after that. Now see, broadcast various electronic awareness creating and littering. See, broadcast various entertainment, means we are talking about radio. So it broadcasts various entertainment, awareness creating, and awareness create means create awareness among the student, mostly among the students or the people, creating awareness, and also literary program. Literary program means mostly educational program. It also broadcasts special program for farmers, workers, and youth and women. The Vivid Bharati program are broadcast in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialogues of Indian language. Lately, various news channel like Radio Mirchi was started, FM channel was started. So all these things, modern technology was started. Radio Mirchi, all this information we are getting. Now television. See, radio television, all these are electronic and electronic media. Now Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated. So Delhi Doordarshan Center means we are talking about television, was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first. So now television, Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Rajendra Prasad, the first President Doordarshan. Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and he is our first Indian president. Doordarshan Mumbai Center began to telecast, and after that telecast center was started on 1st May 1972. Color, earlier we have black and white TV, now we have colorful TV, LCD TV we have. Color TV television was introduced on 15. So remember the date. See here, remember the date. Mumbai Center began to telecast program on 1st May 1972. And color TV was introduced on 15 August, August, that is 1982. 1991, the Indian program granted permission to private national and international channel to telecast India. Means lot of, now earlier we have only one channel, that is Doordarshan, and now we have unlimited channel. Private India purchase so many private channels. So we are, right now we have unlimited channel, so we get information through it. So thus it became possible for Indian to watch international events. Means by sitting at home we can watch what is going around in other world. What is going yes, by sitting at home we can watch the IPL also. So all these are possible because of electronic media. Then why do we need mass media? Why do we need mass media? See, why do we need mass media? We need mass media to facilitate free flow of information. Means we can get information freely to all strata of society. Means everybody must get information. Editorial, various column and supplements are essential part of newspaper. What is required? Articles required. Editor must be there. So all these are the part of newspaper. Reader are also ensure a platform to voice their opinion. Yes, reader, we are the reader. We can also express our voice. We can also give our article in newspaper. So we can it is also, reader are also ensure a platform. So these mass media is a platform where we can raise your voice, we can raise your opinion, we can give you our opinion. Newspaper can help in making the democracy stronger. So a newspaper help in making the Indian democracy more stronger. Still newspaper is very much important. Television is an audio visual media. Yes, it is an audio visual media. See, television is an audio visual media. It was possible for this medium to cross the inherited limitation of newspaper. So yes, because of television now newspaper little bit important is less, and the radio and show the actual visual of an event to people. Yes, we can see in newspaper, no only we can read, but through television, no, we can read also, we can watch also. So far there is no there is no other alternative to television for watching an event as it actually happened. So far there is no alternative to television, means so far there is no alternative other media as compared to television, where we can see also, and we can watch, we can see, we can watch the event internationally also, nationally also. Now, critical understanding of information received through mass media. Now we have to do critical analyze to understand the information received through mass media. How we can criticize, or how we can what we can tell, accept whether that information is correct or not. Because if we talk about mass media, or if we talk about newspaper, any source of information, incorrect information also printed. So we have to, how we can criticize, how we can accept it, how we can identify whether that information is correct or not. So now this one, any information received through mass media need to be reviewed critically. So any information received through mass media, we have to review critically. We have to review critically. The news or the information in the media may not always represent exact truth. It may be false. There is a very famous event of authentic information appearing in newspaper. Means one article it is given about some person. What has happened? There is a famous event of unauthentic, means incorrect information appearing in in print in Germany. Stern, a German weekly magazine, had purchased, means एक जर्मन वीकली मैगजीन ने परचेज किया, ओके, परचेज अ नंबर ऑफ सो कॉल हैंड रिटन डायरीज, मीन्स उसका जो लिखा हुआ डायरी ना, उस एडल्फ हिटलर का जो लिखा हुआ डायरी है, परचेज किया, ठीक है। एंड परचेज करने के बाद क्या हुआ, इट सोल्ड दैम टू वेरियस पब्लिकेशन कंपनी, उसने बहुत सारे पब्लिकेशन कंपनी को बेच दिया। So diaries were verified for their authentically. So diaries were verified for their authentically. Verify किया उसको, and subsequently the news appear in the print, means news print में मिला. However, those diaries were proved to be false, means उसकी वो डायरी नहीं थी. It became apparent from this example that we need to be verify all information correctly, carefully about the information published by the media. So just remember here, so okay, critical understanding means we have to critically analyze, okay, we have to revise, and after that, no, next is mass media and professional opportunity. Newspaper have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its reader. So newspaper always try their best, that is to give fresh information or news to the reader. Reader means we are the reader. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news, means give the truth, okay, true in news, what is going around the world. At such time, newspaper have to resort to history. While reporting news in detail, reporter try to compare it with the parallel event, means from every angle, no, reporter compare which happened in the past, means past से भी कनेक्ट होगा और प्रेजेंट से भी कनेक्ट करेंगे वो, फिर वो पता लगेगा कि whether that information is correct or wrong. The past event may be printed in a separate frame. So these are the, see, one picture is given, history, okay, one editorial is there, editorial is required, article is required, on which day in history, means कौन से डे पे हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट किया, उसके बाद रिव्यू करना पड़ेगा, रिव्यू देन न्यूज़ में आएगा, रिव्यू करने के बाद न्यूज़ में आएगा, Review means we have to do critical understanding. Okay, and it come in different column, different publication it come. Next is does the reader get access to additional information and we can get better insight about the current news. Newspaper print column about historical information appearing under headings such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago. What was happened 50 years ago or 100 years ago? Such columns are based on historical document or written history. Okay, so all this information we are getting, what was happened 50 years back or what was happened 100 years back. So these columns provide historical information about economic, information come related with economic, about social, about political, all this in the about social, about political development, about social development. Okay, that is event held in the past and also the event held in present, and what was the historical importance of past information. So all these things we get through mass media. Then do this newspaper also publish crossword puzzle. Yes, crossword puzzle is also given in newspaper on history, based on history. Try to create similar crossword puzzle. For example, use force names to create a puzzle. Now newspaper occasionally publish supplement to the regular edition. So newspaper occasionally publish supplement to the regular edition of special issues. Example, special issue example, war, First World War commence on 1947. तो उस पर वो न्यूज़ प्रिंट आउट हुआ, मीन्स ओकेजनली वो पब्लिश करेंगे, दिखाएंगे भी मीडिया के थ्रू. देन ईयर 2014 मार्क एज 100 ईयर 2014 जो है ना वो 100 ईयर, okay, it is marked as 100 years. In order to be able to publish a newspaper supplement or a special issue to concentrate the occasion, one need to review the history. Means पब्लिश करने से पहले, मीडिया में रखने से पहले उसको कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा, पास्ट में जाके कंपैरिजन करना पड़ेगा, इंफॉर्मेशन क्रिटिकल डिटेल में चेक करना पड़ेगा, अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा, ट्रूथ बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद वो मीडिया तक जाएगा. In 2017, 75 years were completed. So 2017 में 75 years complete हो गया. After Quit India movement, on such occasion newspaper highlight, means उस टाइम पे न्यूज़पेपर में हाईलाइट किया था ये इन्फॉर्मेशन कि 2017 में 75 years हुआ था क्विट इंडिया को, तो वो न्यूज़पेपर में शो ऑफ किया था. एग्जाम्पल यू कैन टेल व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग इन द हिस्ट्री ऑन दैट डे, उस दिन क्या हुआ था, उसका इम्पोर्टेंस सब ये न्यूज़पेपर में रहता है. रिव्यू दिखाते हैं, पहले क्या हुआ था, अभी क्या हुआ. द नॉलेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री इज एसेंशियल फॉर राइटिंग ऑफ सच टाइप. नाउ ट्राई टू डू दिस. ओके, now see, history is also essential for planning radio program. For example, Akashvani have preserved recording of all the speeches, yes, delivered each year by the Prime Minister of India on 15 August. First Prime Minister speech of India. First speech given by Prime Minister. All their speech, leader speech are recorded and they present on the special events. Like example, 15 August we can tell, Republic Day. Akashvani invite his historian as expert. So for all this, no, this radio telecast invite historian expert for discussion of various occasions such as the university of birth and death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, lecture on contribution of various national leaders need to be supported by historical information. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of daily program of Akashvani. Television channel are also telecast program based on history. See, lot of historical information shown mostly on special occasion. Doordarshan and other mostly on Doordarshan we can see. Doordarshan and other television channel help in creating interest in history among people through their historical shows and serials. Like Mahabharata, Ramayana, all these are historical series. Mythological stories like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bharat Ek Khoj, Raj, Shiv Chhatrapati Shivaji story. Then, attached a very large audience. People see such type of program. People observe, watch such type of program. While producing this type of means after watching people get information what was happened 50 years back क्या हुआ था या रामायण में पहले क्या हुआ था महाभारत में क्या हुआ था accuracy with regard to the presentation of information output okay वेपनरी लाइफस्टाइल पहले कैसा था उनका लैंग्वेज कैसा था ये सब उसके थ्रू हमें पता चलता है वन नीड टू बी हैव अ डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हिस्ट्री ऑफ द कंसर्न पीरियड ठीक है कंसर्न मीन्स इम्पॉर्टेंट जो पीरियड है पहले के जो ईयर्स है पास्ट हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स है उसका हमें इम्पोर्टेंस पता चलता है करंटली चैनल्स लाइक डिस्कवरीज नेशनल ज्योग्राफी हिस्ट्री have opened a rich treasure of global history for the audience. Historical channels is also there. National geography is also there. It also enables people to review the historical and geographical wonder at home. By sitting at home, we can watch such type of program. We can watch. We can imagine what was happened historical time. What kind of animals or animals were there. To know such program or more entertaining, some part of serial are also actually enacted by actors such as character of heroic man and women like Tarabai Shinde stories. They make dramas or film on historical historical story. Beside this series about ancient monument, forts, histories of empire are also watched by a number of people with great interest. People with deep knowledge of history in the respective fields are shot out in all field mentioned above. Now see this is the now see you would find this interesting. One of the story it is given भारत एक खोज. It is a serial telecast by दूरदर्शन. एक प्रोग्राम है दूरदर्शन ने टेलीकास्ट किया था. स्पेशल प्रोग्राम इन द सीरीज ऑफ इंडियन टेलीविजन सीरीज. बहुत स्पेशल था ये. इट वॉज स्पेशल प्रोग्राम इन हिस्टोरिकल सीरियल था ये भारत एक खोज. इट वॉज नेम ऑन डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया. ये डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया. इट वॉज बेस्ड मीन्स किस पे बेस्ड था ये भारत एक खोज डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया. भारत एक खोज मीन्स इंग्लिश वी आर टेलिंग डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया. ये बुक लिखा था पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने. इट वॉज डायरेक्टेड बाय श्याम बेनेगल. डायरेक्ट किया था श्याम बेनेगल ने. दिस सीरियल प्रेजेंटेड बाय हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम द एंशियंट टू द मॉडर्न पीरियड. पहले एंशियंट का जो स्टोरी है वो मॉडर्न पीरियड में प्रेजेंट किया. थ्रोइंग लाइट ऑन सोशल कल्चरल एंड पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री ऑफ रिस्पेक्टिव पीरियड. पूरा उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन दिखाया. इट इफेक्टिवली प्रोटनेट मेनी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री लाइक हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन के बारे में उस स्टोरी में दिखाया. वैदिक हिस्ट्री क्या है. इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ रामायण एंड महाभारता. मौर्य पीरियड. तर्क अफगान इन्वेंशन. मुगल पीरियड एंड ऑल्सो कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मुगल एम्पायर. भक्ति मूवमेंट. रोल ऑफ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज. मूवमेंट ऑफ सोशल रिफॉर्म. इंडियन struggle for independence. All these are the story. These are the telecast program shown in discovery of India. That is Bharat Ek Khoj. Rohan Seth, the actor who played the Pandit Nehru role. रोहन सेठ जो है ना उसने पंडित नेहरू का रोल प्ले किया था. Okay, and through his series he had explained various part of stories by dramatising them, मीन्स ड्रामा के फॉर्म में दिखाया, मूवीज़ के फॉर्म में दिखाया. Folk tale and informative speeches. The serial are admired in all part of India because of the comprehensive historical perspective of Pandit Nehru and its actually comprehensive visual presentation. So these are the fifth chapter, that is mass media and history. Alright, so now see exercise question. Now see, complete the sentence by choosing the correct option. So these two fill in the blanks you write in notebook. Now after that, B, identify the wrong pair in the following, correct it and rewrite it. This one. Okay, so this you have to write in notebook. Then write brief notes 3, and okay, now role of newspaper in the Indian struggle for independence. Why do we need mass media? Mass media professional opportunity. You have to give no short note. Explain the following statement with this reason. 3 reasons are given. So what you have to do, read the lesson carefully, read one line or one paragraph, and if you find any hard word in between the lesson or in between the paragraph or in between any line, just call me and clear your doubt. And this textbook question answer you write in notebook. Okay, so this lesson we had completed.